A monomial can be a number, for example, the number 4, 6, 8. It's a monomial. It can also be a variable like x, y, or it can be the product of a number and variables with positive exponents. So what do I mean by that? It can be a product of a number and variables, products of a number and variables, but the variables have to have positive exponents. For example, when we look at 7x, it's a product of a number and a variable, and this variable has an exponent of 1 because x is equal to x raised to the power of 1. We just normally don't write the power 1. In the same way, this is the product of a number. The number is -8, and we have a variable, and the variable has a positive exponent, that is 1. Another example is 5x cubed, product of a number and a variable, and the variable has an exponent, a positive exponent. If we look here, we have another monomial, which is 5, which is a number, so product of a number and variables, and they all have positive exponents, y raised to 1 and z raised to 2, or z squared. So these are examples of monomials. Now let's look at if you have monomial, a monomial. Normally, what do mathematicians call the number that is in front of the variables? The number part is called the coefficient. For this monomial, the coefficient here is -4. The variable part is x y squared, and the degree of this monomial, to find the degree of a monomial, we just add up the powers of each of the variables. So this has 2 variables, x and y, and then with the power of x is 1, the power of y is 2, so we have 1 plus 2, which gives us 3. If you look at this monomial 8ab, the number part, which is called the coefficient, is 8. The variable part is ab, and the degree is, we have a raised to 1, b raised to 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. If you look at this monomial, we have x cubed. X has if you have x, normally this is equal to 1x cubed, but the 1 is normally not written by mathematicians, so but we know it's 1, so the coefficient is 1. The variable part is x cubed, and the degree of x cubed is 3. I just wanted to say something, that if we look at this expression here, this is 3a plus b is not a monomial, because we are adding 3a to b. We have 3a plus b. Thus, this expression here is not a monomial. Thank you.